soft and low, but your love still gently glows. Though you're far or near today, you're the song I always play. Every heartbeat holds your name, every joy and tear the same. In this world there's none like you, a love so deep, forever true. Longing for just one hug, one kiss from you, on this day when we celebrate you. Happy Mother's Day, my guiding star. You live in my soul, no matter how far. Your hands once healed my every fall, your voice the softest love of all. Now I whisper thanks and prayer for every moment you were there. If I could fly, I'd run to you, wrap you in flowers and skies so blue. But for now this song will say, I love you more with each new day. Longing for just one hug, one kiss from you, on this day when we celebrate you. Happy Mother's Day, my heart, my grace. You're forever my home, my warmest place. Happy Mother's Day. To the one I miss, to the one I'll always love.